Welcome back to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing on this beautiful sunset, late spring, early fall day in central Illinois. We're going to do a little Doge for you. Everyone's been looking at this night and buy the rumor. Like we always say, sell the fact. They've been very hyped up with Doge. But you don't think people that we're going to buy Doge haven't bought already, and they're waiting for some guy to walk around with some thing on his head, a mask? Why the fuck would anybody with money care about that? That's not going to make them buy. The people that were going to buy already bought. The people that weren't going to buy haven't bought, and everybody else that they're waiting on to buy and pour into this, they're not there because they're already in. Yeah, the price can still go higher, but these extra millions of new buyers they're looking for, I'm not sure what they're looking for, but you can see in the long-term month we've had upper resistance, upper resistance, upper resistance. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification, and an emergency announcement here tonight on this special Doge video. When I get to 1,000 subscribers from my audience, and we've had a growing audience, and we appreciate that audience, all of your support, the comments, the reaching out to our channel and us here, all the hard work we're doing for you guys, we appreciate. We can't even believe we have 32 subscribers now, and every time I put a video out here, I'm getting 30 watches to 40 watches on my videos the last couple days, and we appreciate that, right? Helps the channel grow. If we look down, we have support and support. And you say, why are you drawing all these support and resistance? Because that's in the monthly time frame, the pattern we're in. But look, let's say, what the fuck is important to notice here? Can you fucking believe he's asking me about what we notice here? Yeah, I'm asking you what the fuck you're noticing, because it's important for you to have some critical thinking skills in order to be one step ahead of the criminal banks cartel that are controlling the fiscal and monetary policy of my U.S. audience, the world audience, because all the countries have low interest rates, high inflation, fiscal stimulus out the ass, devaluation of local currencies, and a shittier standard of living, lower wages, higher prices, longer hours, vanishing pensions, no overtime. You get the point. Retirement gone. Food prices crazy. Corn skyrocketing. Gold record highs, silver approaching record highs. These criminal banksters like JP Morgan and others that rob you of your purchasing power by devaluing the dollar, paying people not to work and produce, saying we have a strong economy, saying everything's okay, are just stealing away your future. They're eating away your savings. They're punishing you for being a saver. They're punishing the people that are doing the right thing, and they're rewarding the people for doing the wrong thing. And we're here at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, here to keep you one step ahead of these guys that are trying to keep you in the proverbial working slave mentality and locking you into a system that keeps you 3 feet, that puts you 3 feet down for every 1 foot it lets you take. It's meant to keep you down. It's meant to keep you broke. It's meant to keep you not earning. It's meant to keep you dependent and non-self-sufficient. But at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, when you like, subscribe, and share, and help support the channel, we can expand our channel, move out to other platforms, get better equipment, better recording equipment, right? All that. That's why when we get to 1,000 subscribers, I am going to show my face live, and you can know the face behind the madness of the Bitcoin investing, Bitcoin gold crypto investing. You will be able to see the face behind this madness and this maniac that you guys, who I appreciate, actually come and watch my videos and request technical analysis from the state-of-the-art, one-of-a-kind, price-predicting computer software, probability-based forecasting trading alerts. And we appreciate it, and we thrive on it, and that's why we're here. We're here for you. But what you can see, as I was rambling on there, hit the bell notification, is All those motherfuckers that were going to buy have bought. So they're not waiting for a fucking Saturday Night Live to, oh my God, I'm going to buy big amounts right now. The day traders are in there doing their thing. But if you watch our emergency alert video the other day, oh, and a big thing I was going to tell you was the Digibyte, my breaking Digibyte news that I had a play on, and it could work, it might not work. We think it's going to work. We hope it works because it could have big payouts. But here's what God, this was so long ago now. Not so long ago, but in price action so long ago. Down at the 14-cent level, where Digibyte is sort of at now. Dogecoin did the same thing. It had the same formation. Let's get to the fucking 4-hourly. Make this shit easier. This is fucking a pain in the ass. Fuck, this wasn't even that fucking long ago. Let's go to the dollar-hour time frame. Fuck that. This is a daily time frame. What the fuck's going on with this? It's just so hard to find. Here we go. Right here. Digibyte to me, if you watch, we put out the emergency alert Digibyte buy last night about 24 hours ago. Oh, look at that. There's the only way. It's my work buddy. He's Canadian. He looks like a mountain man, like he should be foraging for food. If you ever see Mr. Dave there on Telegram, give him a high five or a shout out. Buy him a beer. He loves beer, so he'll never turn beer down. Now, going back to what we were saying before Dave showed up there, Digibyte and what we're looking at here, okay? So what the fuck are you talking about? Right here. So that was man, that happened quick that day. Fuck, that's crazy. This is going to be a little harder than I thought to show you because the move happened so fast. But it was up right here. No, that's 30, 40. I need 14. Oh, there we go. Right here. All right, this is it. Sorry about that. This is just hard to find. So, when we were here, Digibyte's kind of done that. Come back down, consolidated, had miniature up and down moves. That doesn't look like a big move there, but when the price is that low, those are like 15, 20% moves, right? So, yeah, those are big moves. If you were making a 15% move at $100, you'd say, yeah, it's a big fucking move. It's a big move down there, even though it's only half a pennies. But see that after we pumped, right, and had our first pump, I actually bought in here. And I fucked up because I sold too early because my target move, from what I was looking at, and I didn't know Elon and everybody else was going to start pumping this motherfucker. But you had a pump and then a consolidation, right? But you had multiple hits in there. And then you had up supporting resistance, right? You see that? We're going to make this better. Hold on. Let me get this shit off there real quick. Because you're like, man, that looks like ass. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. And we're going to go back to Digibyte real quick and show you. So look at this. Just take a look at this. And remember, we just showed you the previous pump, right? So now we get our little dollar tool out here. And we had a support line. Let's make that a little bigger. We had a support line, right? We hit multiple times on it on the way up in a consolidation. And then multiple times up here we hit as resistance. And I actually bought right here to play the pump. And he said, well, what pump were you playing? And what's the target? The pump we were playing was this. After this consolidation right there, on the breakout there, the pump started, right? So the target move out of that, drawing, pull out that. The target move would have been from the bottom. No, we like the other one. From the bottom to the top, and then to the breakout. That was my target move, right? And that's what I played, and I did very well off of that. And you say, well, why'd you sell? It just went straight up. No, it did go straight up, yes, but in that area there were 30 to 35% up and down moves. So I picked my target out that was here, and we sold in there. And then I went to bed because I have a day job, or I have a normal job. That's why when I say to donate, when you like and subscribe and share, it promotes and helps support the channel. Detroit 7-3. Hey, Detroit won. The Tigers suck, but at least they beat the Twins tonight. That's positive. Good job, Tigers. 100% of anything you ever use as an affiliate link or a subscription or just a donation to Cash App, if you ever find any of these videos entertaining or you make money, that's what we're all here about to do. I'm here with my probability-based forecasting computer model system to show you what I'm seeing on there, because contractual obligations, I can't show you the verbatim model, but I can draw it on here for you. So it's just the same as weather models. You can feel free to donate, and it helps support the channel. And 100% of the donations or the affiliate links, when you use them, 100% of the revenue that is generated from this channel goes right directly back into the infrastructure and the channel. Infrastructure, laptops, better recording systems, video recording systems, audio recording systems so you can hear me better, so you can see my face. I can have multiple screens, monitors, etc. Offices expanding. We can make things happen. I have a normal job that pays the bills, that gives me a decent living. I actually a better than decent living. So I don't need money from this to support my lifestyle. This would just be 100% to expand this growing community, this growing army, this growing channel that is growing to educate, reform, and beat out the mindset that the criminal bankster cartel has drilled into the individual and the retail person to keep them in poverty and a perpetual motion of substandard living, longer working hours, less of a return on their money, lower standard of living. What we're going to do at Vincenzo's Gold, crypto investing, when you like, subscribe, and share, hit the bell notification, very important, so you get all these updates, is we're going to build in a mindset and drain in a trading and a strategical strategy mindset to use to aid you into making successful trades at a high percentage to raise the standard of living, because you have the knowledge and understanding on what and how the criminals and the banking cartel control the market. They manipulate the market. They maximize the emotional response of the trader to make a trade at a time where they want them to make a trade, so that when they execute their plan, it maximizes the profit and the effectiveness and the efficiency of what they're doing. Because that's all trading is. Trading is people. People are traders. The market are people. Money is people. All of that is the human brain and the human mind and the emotions. And most people that are managing their own portfolios trade on emotions, and emotions can be manipulated, just like buying and all that can be manipulated by outside forces. Now that you understand that with Doge, when we look at what's going on here, right? So with that pump I was telling you about, that's how we get where the target is. We go down there. Now, that's what I think Digibyte, that's the comparison with Digibyte, right? I was rambling on there because you were liking, subscribing, commenting below. We love that. You would go down here, right, to up here, and that was your fucking target. Now let's go back to Digibyte, and you say, how is there a comparison in Digibyte? Remember to buy my gold bugs. I have a very big position, in AAU. Very, very, very big position that could be life-changing if it plays out the way we think. I've had emergency videos if you want to go ahead and check those out. It's actually a very popular video that I did last week. So there's a lot of gold and crypto, or gold bugs in this crypto community, which I always say to hodl gold, physical gold and silver, and endeavor into the mining stocks. I'll give you GPL is a great mining stock. AAU, heavy position. GPL, I have a heavy position in. I'm not a financial advisor. You shouldn't take my advice. You should enjoy my entertainment. We're here for educational and entertainment purposes only, but I have a big position, full disclosure, in this company. My average price is right there, about 51 cents, and I have a big position in it. Another one I have a big position in, second biggest position to AAU, is GPL, a silver mining company. Very good. I would heavily recommend that you guys buy this. I'll give you an emergency video update on this and a few other. We're going to start a thing on our channel. I know this is a long video, extended video, but I'm in my hotel room. I don't have to work tomorrow. I'm 400 miles away from home, where I've been for 7 months, in the greater Bloomington, Illinois region in central Illinois, 2 hours south of Chicago, and an hour away from anything else, in the middle of a cornfield where they're now tilling and planting the cornfield for your later consumption later on in the fall. But we're going to start. Mondays are going to be Monday, and you let me know if you like this or not. Mondays are going to be commodity day. Commodities Monday is what we're going to call it. Every Monday, it's strictly, well, there'll be emergency trading alert videos for crypto, but Mondays will specifically be Commodities Monday. Gold, silver, Bitcoin, wheat, corn, whatever you guys want to get into. Commodities Monday is what we're going to have. Let me know if you like that, but this Monday will be the first Commodities Monday, and then we're going to have other days in the week that are specific to other things. But we're going to get into GPL. I have a significant position in GPL. GFI, I should be in a position right now because it's low, but I'm in such big positions in other things, I don't have the funds because I'm playing on some bigger moves. But that Fortuna Silver, another one that's collapsed, we're going to get into Monday. But AAU, GPL, I have significant positions in. B2 Gold, I don't have up here. Here, we'll put it back on. Somehow got deleted. B2 Gold, I have a moderate position in. As full disclosure, moderate position in B2 Gold. I'm actually back in the money on B2 Gold now. Because I've had the position for so long, and I was averaging down as it was going down. You know what I'm saying? So that's going to be a good one. I would highly recommend that you look at that. Those are Barrett Gold's another very good company. Kinross, I have a small position in Kinross. Kinross is a solid company, pays a great dividend. But we'll get into that on our Commodities Monday. Okay. We're going to have another day in there for monetary policy. This week's wrap up in monetary policy. We got to come up with a day with that. Probably, I would say the end of the week would probably be a good day. Commodities wrap up Friday. So we're going to have, monetary Fed policy wrap up Friday is what we're going to have. We're going to have Commodities Monday, and then we're going to have Fed and monetary policy wrap up Fridays. Right? That's a good way to do it. Commodities Monday, and then you end the week with Fed and monetary policy Fridays. I like that. I look forward to that. I'm excited for that. I hope you are going to be excited for that when you hear this, when I post this video soon about Commodities Monday and Fed and monetary policy Fridays, where we specifically have a dedicated videos to those topics. Like, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification is very important. Bell notification, like the channel, is also very important, and we appreciate all that. Before I wrap this video up, let's go to Digibyte, because remember the Dogecoin reference we just made. Looks like a nice piece of fried, medium rare porterhouse steak off of a Strickland propane barbecue. Hank Hill allows barbecues, but you say, this looks like something Vincenzo Gold Crypto Investing just showed us. Rising, support line, resistance. Where the fuck did you guys, are you fucking guys paying attention? Where did you fucking see this before? That's right, Dogecoin. And where did Dogecoin do